And my first two pieces are probably, I'm gonna probably do this project where I take titles where it seems like it's gonna be like very like that depressed 12-year-old thingy, but it's not. I mean, it'll still be shitty, but it's not like Taylor Swift's song, so don't worry. You'll see. And the first one is, "You're only happy because I'm depressed." First crush comes out with the tweet. Mark Wahlberg is winking what's trending right now. Megan Fox almost birthing a vampire is also trendy as well. I just had a dream where a spider was attaching itself to my brain. I screamed for help, but everyone was too busy complaining about the weather. Wouldn't it be kind of ironic and hilarious if indie films became the new Hollywood and Hollywood films became the new indie? If there was an alternative to birth control, I wonder if it would somehow involve carrier pigeons. If you crush an ant with your bare hands, then it's dead. Playing Scrabble is another way of engaging in sexual intercourse. I was 34 when I had my first kiss. Thinking of myself in the third-person narrative makes me feel like a dictator. A Whopper is trying to get into a Big Mac box. Diarrhea is my go-to apocalypse. And the next one is how heartbreak really sounds like. Hot treats are non-profit specialties. Color me mine as they go down on the range solo. I think I'm traveler sized. It'll probably be better that way. Honey is oozing from that jar. Why are my hands so sticky? I think my gums are on fire right now. Dentists charge too much money. I want to buy some Crest White strips, but I'm too broke and would rather buy boxes of tampons for my bleeding uterus. If I was rich, I'd always take a limo to every reading just so I can get shit-faced before everyone else does. La Rose está en bonjour para hola et tu wis ciao goal scorer Dusseldorf Kirkpatrick Ocho Craigslist and something something. Organic hot dogs make the world go round. Bladders piss pee all the time. I'm running low on ink. I use my menstrual blood, but I think the blood from my heart will do.
That's dope.
And the last one is kind of an excerpt, and I don't mean to do shameless plugging, but there's a reading series this Thursday called Shipwreck, which is it's like where writers do erotic fan fictions, like on great classics like The Great Gatsby and The Hobbit. And this month is The Wizard of Oz, and I'm one of the writers that gets their stories featured. And I kind of can't give away too much info on this particular piece of reading, so I'll just read an excerpt that's very vague, and if you're really curious, you should come out this Thursday, which will be at the Booksmith in San Francisco, and it starts at 7, so yeah, you should go if you would like to go. And I'll just read it, and I'll be done. It's just a really short excerpt. So, he never had the opportunity of becoming sexually involved with the Munchkins, which is a shame for him, since he always wondered what it will feel like having one Munchkin suck his penis and another eat out of his asshole simultaneously as his mouth sinks into another Munchkin's genitals. And if you want to know more, just come this Thursday at the Booksmith. Thank you.